welcome to my channel. It's your girl Nani. If this is your first time watching my video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. And today's video is all about ice cream. Alright, stay tuned so you can see the full video. Bye!
Some breakfast parfaits, also known as milkshakes with whipped cream and a cherry. Grab your milkshakes, all this other stuff. But right now we're stuck here in this room, which is kind of good, you know? We've had our milkshake and now it's like, alright, the sugar's porcelain, we're ready to go. Well, here's what we're gonna do to prove we're ready to go. Because I gotta make sure you guys' energy is like up, okay? So we're gonna sing the milk song together. We all down for that? It's very easy. You just repeat after me. It's like super simple. Yeah. So there we go. There we go. Here we go. Here we go. Gonna sit here. Okay. It's very deep. Don't give me no pop. No pop. Don't give me no pop.
No pop.
Come on. This one more time like a little biggie nose this here. Come on. Don't give me no pop. No pop.
Don't give me no pop, no pop.
Don't give me no juice, no juice.
Don't give me no juice, no juice.
Just give me that milk, moo, 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 moo.
Lovely, lovely. Welcome to the Museum of Ice Cream, everybody. I know, right? My name is Dough Baby. It's a pleasure to meet you all. So, we're gonna get psyched up a little bit. So, in the next 10 seconds, I want you to high five as many people as possible. 3, 2, 1, go!
This is a fail. I don't know. High five. This is why.
Okay. Time! Well done. Well done. You did great. You guys did awesome. So proud of you. Alright. So, again, welcome to the Museum of Ice Cream. So it all begins with a little girl named Mary Ellis. And she had this recurring dream about swimming in a pool full of sprinkles. And, you know, she grew up, she forgot her dream. And then one day she was down on her luck, sleeping on a friend's couch, jobless. And she has this dream again. In San Francisco, which was so popular that they decided to keep it as a permanent location. And now, here we all are in the New York City permanent location. So, I want you all to close your eyes. I want you all to close your eyes. And I can see them if they're open, so close them, close them. I want you to think about a time when you were just so excited to eat ice cream. Maybe that moment is right now. Maybe that moment was in your childhood. Maybe it was your first ice cream cone. It was dripping down your hand, but it was like the best moment of your life. Maybe you were begging your parents to stop for ice cream, and they finally did, and you were like, yes! Do you have that feeling?
Yes.
Is it inside you? All right. Open your eyes. So that's how we want you to feel here at the Museum of Ice Cream today. All right? If you're a kid, we want you to feel like a kid. If you're an adult, we want you to feel like a kid. Okay, so we got a couple rules, all right? Some things. It doesn't matter here This is just a moment where we can enjoy, be positive, optimistic, and enjoy ice cream, right? All right, and number 3, this is very important. So, always go forward in the experience and never backward, all right? Also, this is the last restroom that you're gonna see until the end of the experience. So, speak now or forever hold your pee. Those of you who are ready, are you ready?
Yeah. Ready.
Are you really ready?
Yeah.
Yes.
Give me a big scoop, scoop.
Scoop, scoop.
Okay, in order to open this door, you gotta do a big drum roll on the wall, okay?
You all must be here for the party.
Yeah.
Yes.
Come on in.
This is a Museum of Ice Cream Express train. Next stop, Skybacka. Stand clear of the closing doors.
Ow. This is too low. Oh my god.
I like the floor.
Oh my god, this is so cool. Oh, this is even more fun. Oh my god. You can actually feel it. I thought there was like a wall.
Yeah, it's crazy. What's over here?
Is it stretchy ice cream?
Yes, stretchy ice cream.
Ah, I've never heard of that
That is
before.
contains a tree resin called mastic, which is the active ingredient in chewing gum. It also contains ground orchid root. It gives it a taffy-like consistency. You folks want some?
We would. Thanks. You want some?
Thank you.
They're no nuts though, Lauren.
It is stretchy.
Same place, so we've never shared it together.
It is
Although
It is very stretchy.
Take a good dance.
on the slide.
It's not scary at all.
Bitches. No basic bitches. Only royalty. Like us, of course.
Mm-hmm.
So, now I see you're ready. You're ready without your pets.
Yes. Let's try this.
That's right.
Hey!
Like
Nani gelato, gelato, gelato. I didn't want to leave. No. I felt like a big kid in there. I enjoyed it.